Hey, some of you probably noticed that I've been working with some professional solar companies, insulation companies, and I even started working with a compostable toilet company. I've also hinted at all of my full-length tutorials that I've been editing, and all of that is because I've been working so hard on putting together a one-stop shop for how to build out your dream van. And in this course, you're going to get expert lifelong consultation from me, as well as full-length tutorials covering every single step in how to build out your dream van. Also, what's included is over $400 in discount codes. So although the course isn't set to launch until late July, what I'm doing now is a pre-launch because I want to put such a personalized touch on the consultation and help you through this journey. I'm limiting the spots to only 100 students. So if you pre-order it right now for only $47, you will not only secure a spot, but you also get it at its cheapest price that it's ever going to be. So for only $47, you'll lock in a spot to where I can help you personally through this whole journey of building out your dream van. And I'll save you over $400 in discount codes. And whether you do or don't, I will always be posting free stuff right here on Instagram. So if you're interested in learning more, comment down below, I'm ready, and I'll send you a DM so you can learn all about it.